Unfortunately, doing the login call is a bit more complex, as we'll be using basic HTTP authentication, which relies on Base64 encoding. Usually this is quite easy in Node and browsers, but because we're working with a scaled down environment, we'll have to install a package using npm to help us out. In the command line, we install the package called buffer with npm. We also specify the -- save option because we want the change to be saved in our package.json file, which is quite important if you want this code to live in source control and possibly shared with other developers. If you don't specify the save option and you try to get this code running on a different machine, it won't know to install the buffer package and the app will not be able to compile. Back in our editor, we pull in the buffer module using require. In our onLoginPressed function, we create a new buffer instance. And for now, we just provided a simple string to test with. What we want to do is convert this string to a Base64 string. Let me show you. We call the toString function on the buffer, specifying a Base64 encoding. I've brought up the Chrome DevTools so that we can check it out. When I press the button, you can see that there is a weird looking string here in the console. That's the word hello encoded in Base64. So our setup is working.